Hi, I'm Lauren Mikowski, and I'm a realtor with Platinum, Idaho at Silver Creek Realty Group. And I am so excited to show you inside my newest listing and the best kept secret in Middleton, Idaho. Once you walk through the front door of this well-appointed home, you'll be greeted into a beautiful foyer that opens up into a beautiful space that could be used as a formal dining or sitting area, or even an office, den, or fourth bedroom. This single-story home consists of a bright and open floor plan with a split bedroom layout. Each of the great-sized guest rooms are located at the front of the home with a gorgeous full bath shared in between them. The exquisite kitchen consists of gorgeous granite countertops, knotty alder custom cabinetry, dual ovens, and all stainless steel appliances. The kitchen opens up to the dining area as well as the living area, making this home perfect for entertaining. The spacious master suite consists of coffered ceilings, offering custom lighting, a gorgeous master suite with dual vanities, walk-in shower, and soaker tub. One of my favorite things about this home is the master closet conveniently flows into the oversized laundry room. The outside patio opens up to a fully fenced and beautifully landscaped yard consisting of a swimmer's hot tub and raised garden beds. This beauty is truly one of a kind and won't last long. If you would like a private tour, please contact me at the information below or visit us at our website, www.platinumidaho.com.